Before we begin this video, I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land that I am recording on today, the Wurundjeri Woi-wurrung and the Bunurong Bunwurrung peoples of the Kulin Nation, and to pay my respects to their elders past, present, and emerging. This presentation will explain the concepts of primary and secondary research articles. A primary source is an original source of information about a topic. A primary research article is a direct report about an experiment and its results, often written by the researcher who conducted the experiment. Here are some types of primary research articles. Cohort studies, in which research participants are interviewed on multiple occasions over an extended period of time. Case studies, in which an individual research participant's real-life circumstances are explored in relation to a particular topic. Survey research, in which multiple research participants are asked the same survey questions, and clinical trials, in which research participants volunteer for medical experimentation. We can include the types of primary research articles as keywords in a database search. By using Boolean operators like OR and AND, we can create an advanced search that will find primary sources relating to a particular subject, as can be seen on screen. Using those search parameters, I was able to find this primary research article. We can identify it as a primary source because, as we discussed earlier, it's a direct report about an experiment and its results. Secondary sources discuss the information provided by other sources. A secondary research article will often be written with the goal of reviewing the information provided by one or more primary research articles. Here are some types of secondary sources that may be relevant to your studies. Reviews, such as systematic reviews. News sources, such as newsletters, newspapers, and clinical care notes. Just like with primary sources, we can include the types of secondary research articles as keywords in a database search. The same Boolean operators that we discussed previously can also be used to find secondary sources pertaining to a particular subject, as we can see here. Using those search parameters, I was able to find the secondary research article. We can identify it as a secondary source because, as mentioned before, it discusses information that was originally documented in primary sources. To summarize, primary research articles are original sources of information that discuss the findings of experiments, while secondary research articles respond to primary research articles and discuss their findings. For more information on this topic, please contact your campus librarian.